Hello, my name is Montague, but everyone calls me Duck. I am a Great Western engine number 8. There are only 2 ways of doing things, the Great Western way and the wrong way. Hello, I'm Diesel 10. I am the only diesel with a claw on my head, and I call him Pinchy. The steamies will fall, and we will take over the railway. Oh, grease and oil!
Hello, I'm Diesel, but here on the island, everyone prefers me as Devious Diesel. Sir Topham Hatt thinks that we need to learn. He is mistaken. We Diesels don't need to learn. We know everything. We come to a yard and improve it. We are revolutionary.